Hey, student, how are you? Welcome to our session on x and y intercepts and the standard form of a line. Let's take a look at the graph of the line I have here. Let's identify the x-intercept and the y-intercept, starting with the x-intercept. The x-intercept is the point where the line crosses the x-axis. The x-intercept is 4. Notice that the y value, when we have the x-intercept of 4, the y value is 0 for the x-intercept. Now for the y-intercept. The y-intercept is the point where the line crosses the y-axis. Here, our y-intercept is 3. Notice that the x value is equal to 0 when y is 3 for our y-intercept. Let's take a look at finding the x and y intercepts from an equation. Given the linear equation, in standard form, ax plus by is equal to c is the standard form of a linear equation. We'll find the x and y intercepts of the linear equation. Let's do 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. We'll start by finding the x-intercept. The x-intercept is when y is 0. So we will substitute 0 in for y. So we have our original equation. To find the x-intercept, we're going to substitute 0 in for y. Now we'll solve for x. And we'll divide both sides by 2, and our x-intercept is 6. 6 comma 0 is our x-intercept. Now let's do the y-intercept. For the y-intercept, we'll substitute 0 in for x. Substitute 0 in for x to solve for y. We'll divide by 3, and our y-intercept is 4. 0 comma 4 is our y-intercept. And that's how you find the x and y-intercepts given an equation. Substitute 0 in for y to find the x-intercept, and substitute 0 in for x to find the y-intercept. Let's do one more example. Let's find the x and y-intercept of the linear equation four x minus 6y is equal to 12. Once again, we have a linear equation in standard form. To find the x-intercept, we'll substitute 0 in for y. Substituting 0 in for y. and divide by 4, and our x-intercept is 3. 3 comma 0 for our x-intercept. Let's do the y-intercept. This time we'll substitute 0 in for x to find the y-intercept. Be careful with the minus 6y or negative 6y. Divide by negative 6. And our y-intercept is negative 2. And that is how you find the x and y intercepts from an equation. Thanks so much for joining our session, and I'll see you next time.